Prisrčen pozdrav z komentatorskega mesta na stadionu v Ljubljanskih Stožicah. Drage prijateljice in prijatelji nogometa, dobrodošli v družbo Prve lige Telemach. Derbi 6. kroga 33. slovenskega državnega prvenstva bosta naposled vendarle na našem največjem stadionu igrala Olimpija in Celje. Tako eni kot drugi seveda stavijo na to posest. Tu je že prvo utekanje Igorja Pruceva, priložnost za Celjane in tovo vodstvo. Aljoša Matko je zadev za vodstvo Celja z 1:0 že v 59. sekundi.
Krasna akcija in zdaj smo videli tudi, mislim, da kot napadalec se je izkazal Prucev, mislim, da ne stoji, Svetlin je bolj na strani in bomo videli posnetko, ampak lepa akcija.
Elšnika, startal je Nemanič brez prekrška, Silva nadaljuje napad Olimpije, na levi strani je Rui Pedro, Pedro prihaja do strela, vratnica Ruja Pedra. Celjani so zdaj prepotovali 3200, Nukić je prišel do strela z glavo, izkazal se je zadetkom v Domžalah, tu je Igor Prucev, pred njim Silva, Prucev preigrava, zeleno ugoden je videti Prucev strelja in blok, potem pa Kvesić poskuša mimo gola. Motika, se odpila proti Diogu, priložnost za Silvo.
In res, jaz mislim, za moje pojme, vemo, kaj bo.
Zdaj Motika se je obrnil, priložnost za Olimpijo, vratnica in potem gol. Izenačenje 1:1, avtogol. Mislim, da je bil to v 36. minuti. So Ljubljančani prišli do izenačenja, Motika je bil v prodoru, tam se je smukal tudi Rui Pedro, toda to je bil na koncu strelec. Počakati bomo morali na ponovljen posnetek, veselijo se seveda domači privrženci, premaganje Matko Obradović.
Če ne bil celo avtogol.
Ampak pravočasno je bila oddana žoga in tudi Rui Pedro je pravočasno otekel, zakaj tukaj pa nova priložnost za Svetlina in nov gol, novo vodstvo Celja in v 39. minuti je zadev na drugi zaporedni tekmi v slovenskem prvenstvu Tamar Svetlin.
Kot sem rekel, Tamar igra kot prerojen v novi sezoni in očitno se že obrestuje dobro delo s trenerjem.
Na povratni tekmi poskušali nadoknaditi 3 gole zaostanka za Makabijem iz Tel Aviva. Zdaj je tu nova priložnost za Matka, za vodstvo in gol. 3:1, 48. minuta. Drugi gol Aljoše Matka. Neverjetno kako.
Repriza prejšnje sezone, če se spomnimo ponovno. 48. minuta in ponovno Matko, še drugi zadetek.
Pa zdaj je Diogo Pinto do Sualeja, tako še predložek pred vratom in gol! Zadev je Nemanja Motika, 2:1, kakšna tekma v Stožicah, 49. minuta in Olimpija se vrača v igro. Tudi on je zadev na drugi zaporedni tekmi, strelec je bil tudi v Kidričevem.
Krasen predložek Sualeja in res kako je bilo težje zgrešiti iz tega položaja, če se lahko izražam. Res to bo mogla Olimpija, če bo hotela kaj več prvenstva doseči.
Spet izpadanje v obrambi, Prucev išče Matka pred vrati, odbija Vidovšek, potem pa Kouter, gol za 4:2. 54. minuta, Nino Kouter je strelec.
Krasna akcija Celja in ponovno Olimpija prelahko.
Silva, za hrbet mu je stekel Motika in zdaj poskuša s preigravanjem. Dobro, Nemanja Motika, v sredini je Nukić zgrešil žogo. kombinacija celjskih napadalcev, Prucev do strela in obramba Vidovška. Bristrič in Rui Pedro, pa zdaj Suale z visoko podajo, skače Elšnik, vendar strelja prek gola.
Six goals, a lot of opportunities, both sides.
Yeah, statistically it's an equal match. We have more possession, more shoots, more dangerous attacks, but in the end we lose because our mistakes. We give the opportunities to Celje to score, and they don't miss the opportunities, and we have our opportunities and we don't score. But of course we lose. We don't want to, but we have lots of players dangerous fatigue, because this time of the season with the matches that we have, of course the mistakes will appear frequently. We don't want to. We try to do our best to recover the players, but now is a moment very difficult for us. We know that it's going to be like that. So we made a match that we can, because we start the match losing. In the first minute of the match we suffer a goal, and after we have to go to try to do the draw. We can do it. We have more chances to do it, but we can do it. And after, when you take some time to rest near the half time, we suffer another stupid goal, and this is what we are doing wrong. We suffer 4 goals today. We suffer 4 goals against Olimpija. It's impossible, because against Olimpija you can score 5. Today, if we have more not so fatigue, we can score also more, but suffering lots of goals is impossible to win matches.
And no time for rest for you. Tomorrow you are going for a long trip to Azerbaijan.
Yes, and we are going to do a night flight. We are going to arrive there 5:35 in the morning. It's difficult. It's very difficult. We are trying to recover the players there with 2 days to sleep and to rest and to have some training, because we didn't train nothing in these last few weeks. But yes, we are going to have a tough match again, and when we come back again, a night flight, we come and we cannot training on Friday. We just we are going to do it on Saturday and play against Mura on Sunday. This is the last 2 matches, very tough for us now, but of course we know where we want to be in the end of the championship. But now is a difficult moment. We're trying to recover. Some players out. We are waiting for players come in, because now it's very short. We have Posa sick, we have Svit that go, and now new players have to come and to start with us. But we know that it could happen, because we made a very good beginning. But now with all these matches and travels and so on, this is a tough situation for us. But we are going to survive, of course. And after the break for the national teams, we are going to new energy again, and you will see again the team suffering less goals, scoring more, and doing good exhibition. And today for the 2 teams is pitch terrible. The players have lots of difficulty to control the ball, both sides, of course. They do some mistakes because of that. This is another thing, very difficult for the players. But okay, we do more mistakes than everyone, so we have to repair this. And next match, of course, we want to be much better than today, because the players try and they want to, but the fatigue is making some problems, and this is very dangerous, like I said before, because they are close to be injury, and we play less than 72 hours. I don't know why they do this to us, and it's tough for a few players. There are players here that, for example, Rata has all minutes, because he's one of player that for the rules they have to play, and he cannot to rest so much because we don't have another solution also to that position. And he's very tired, for example. It's an example that is natural with his age. He's dangerous to make a lot of matches like this without resting. This is a kind of situation that everyone should think for the future.
Mr. Riera, before the game you said no emotion, just 3 points, and here we are.
Yeah, 3 points. These 3 points count the same when you play against Olimpija, against Maribor, against Bravo, against Koper. The same. They are exactly the same 3 points. It's true that when you play derbies and you play the games against the opponent that you suppose, because football one thing is to be favorite, the other thing you have to show on the pitch. That's supposed to be the ones that they will fight for the championship. Then the direct games, you need to show where is the power, no? But I would like to say that I didn't like the game. Too many ball losers, too easy ball losers, but the legs. When you are tired, you don't think the same. You are not fresh. So too many losers, too many easy losers. And then when you lose the ball easy, then you give to the opponent chances to attack you.
Yeah, but you won 4-2, a great result, and Celje on the top of the table.
Yeah, I said from last week when we already been in the position that we want, starting being in first position, we start well, but it's not how to start, it's how to finish. As I said, it was not a good game. It was not a good game also from Olimpija. I could see that they were tired also. So we talk about this. We knew that it will happen, this kind of game, that we cannot show our best, both teams, because both we were tired.
Another tough week is ahead of you. First Europe and then Maribor.
Yeah. Again, because we don't have any helps, we have not any understanding that today we shouldn't play, because you could see that the intensity, the players from 60 minutes, they were asking me to change them. So you can see that the intensity is impossible. And Thursday again another game, and Sunday another one. So this is the reality. It seems like we have to accept everything, but till one point. We have also to talk. Because after this, it's not only that they are not machines and they are tired. The point is we can have big injuries, we can have some big disgraces, so we have to be careful with these kind of things.
Cel nekako težka tekma, na koncu niste zadovoljni, zagotovo ne, 4-2, Celjani so bili dejansko danes bolj učinkoviti.
Ja, nismo zadovoljni, seveda, nisi zadovoljni, če izgubiš. Celo tekmo smo nekako imeli kontrolo, mislim, da smo imeli tudi več posesti in mislim, da smo tudi imeli več konkretnih nekih šans, ampak žal 4 kontre, 4 zadetki, mislim, da moramo to popraviti in ne smemo si dovoliti, da dobimo toliko zadetkov.
Kako zelo se je danes poznala utrujenost?
Pa mislim, da je bila utrujenost na obe strani, saj tudi oni so v Evropi, ne moramo zdaj gledati, da smo samo mi utrujeni. Ampak ne vem, nekako nismo bili ta pravi, moramo bolj konkretni biti v zaključku in zadeti ga več golov.
Tekma polna priložnosti, po eni strani veliko napak, 6 golov, ampak na koncu, lahko rečem, se smejete vi.
Ja, res je, sploh dobro smo odprli tekmo, lahko rečem, po golu smo se nekoliko povlekli nazaj, mogoče preveč. Olimpija si je ustvarjala priložnosti, ampak mi smo prežali na neke protinapade, nismo, zadržali žogo malo dlje časa, da bi oni malo tekli. Ampak kar je danes najbolj pomembno je, da so 3 točke grejo z nami in vsekakor je bilo težko, vročina, potovanje iz Izraela je bilo tudi zelo naporno in v bistvu smo imeli en dan časa, da se pripravimo na tekmo z Olimpijo in kar danes šteje so te 3 točke.
Ja, s to zmago ste zdaj tudi na prvem mestu sami, brez porazov v prvenstvu in pa seveda nove preizkušnje vas čakajo, najprej Evropa, pa potem štajerski derbi.
Ja, res je, prvo bomo probali v Evropi narediti, kaj se da narediti. Vemo, da je zaostanek s prve tekme res nekoliko velik, ampak konec koncev smo naredili neko dobro delo vse do zdaj in bomo tudi na povratni tekmi probali izvleči najboljše. Potem pa ta štajerski derbi, mislim te 2 tekmi, potem malo pauze, ali pa tudi ne, upam da tudi ne, ker če je reprezentanca, ampak verjamem, da se bodo ostali fantje spočili, pripravili za naprej in to je to.